Tapos yung head.
Okay.
I like the way you say my name.
Pwedeng sabay. Ano ba? Top or bottom? Top.
Don't wanna give you any trouble. Never mind, never mind. I'm okay with being by your side for as long as I can.
Ay, matik na.
Si Nimrod. Wow! Wow!
Thanks, Mom! You know that I love him! Kim. And syempre, Erica.
Thank you so much. Feels ko kasi makapasira. Kulang pa sa chocolate.
Heart-shaped arrow through my chest. I'll make you breakfast every morning.
Ay, yes. Uy!
Halakaw!
Another watch, another Seiko.
Thank you so much. Bitawan is slogan. I love you. Seiko last forever.
To Mrs. Ata, as you step into this beautiful new chapter of our life, and close with a letter is a small token of love. Ay, sulat ko. I love you always.
Mrs. Ata.
Put out this place. I'd rather hold on to this feeling.
I love you also.
What if I told you that I've fallen?
Lambing
Ay, lambing lang ba? Natatandaan ko nung una kitang nakita, sobrang crush na kita agad noon pa lang. Hindi biro yung plano ni God sa buhay ko. Way back 2015, ito pala yung pinalo sa akin ni Lord, yung blessing ni Lord sa akin.
The first time I met you in the Galleria kitchen, I never imagined that one day I'll be standing here in front of you. I never truly believed na ikakasal ako.
I will move if you won't move. Masquerading in a crowded room. Never let the light get through. All we do, me and you.
Ikaw yung pinakamagandang blessing sa akin at sa family ko. Masaya kami, kasama ka naming nagpaplano sa mga bagay-bagay.
Mangangarap lang habang ika'y pinagmamasdan. Nagbibilang ng iyong hakbang hanggang ika'y aking mahagkan.
But then you came into my life. We became friends and changed everything. From the moment you found me, you showed me what it means to be loved. You became my safe place. I hope.
Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin habang ako'y nakatingin sa iyo. Wala na akong ibang mahihiling. Saksi ang langit sa atin.
Ganda mo. Wow, ngayon ko lang nakikita.
Ngay, kautan.
Ba't umiyak ka?
Ready na.
Ang daming tulong.
Salamat sa palaging payo na mga bang pasensya sa akin. Ayun, salamat sa payo palagi. Salamat sa pagpipray palagi. Yan, thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin, habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Wala na akong ibang mahihiling, saksi ang langit sa atin.
As I stand here before you, I promise to support your dreams, to listen even when it's hard, to laugh with you at the good times, and to hold your hands through bad times.
Wala na akong hihilingin pa kundi bigyan ako ni Lord ng napakahabang buhay para alagaan ka at ang magiging pamilya natin.
You are my heart, and I will walk this journey with you, whatever it takes.
Mahal kita since 2015. Mahal kita hanggang sa dulo. I love you always. I love you forever.
Sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin, habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Wala na akong ibang mahihiling, saksi ang langit sa atin. Halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin, habang ako'y nakadikit sa'yo. Wala na akong ibang mahihiling, saksi